everyone, welcome back. So guys, andito ako kahapon. So ngayon binalikan ko ito. Magandang park dito. Ayan. Kasi turn on the fountain. So beautiful. So beautiful. This is a Tianxing Road. Tianxing Road. Hindi ko alam ang tamang pag-pronounce talaga guys. Pero Tianxing Road ito. This is around the road guys. Around the road. So, mga short film lang ang gagawin ko guys, hindi ko siya habaan. Thank you so much for watching. And please follow me. Please follow me.